What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to show you my favorite winter beauty, everyday glam. I do this every single day in the winter time. I love doing this quick beauty glam, especially when I'm in my meetings or I'm about to take the kids somewhere. It's like an everyday quick winter glam. Okay, so with that being said, we are going to be jumping right into it. First things first, the winter time, my lips, my face, everything be dry. You dig me? So we are going to be jumping into some Vaseline. I'm only putting it on my lips, you know what I'm saying? But I definitely grease up these lips, like no. But for real, so we're going to be starting off with the Fenty Skin Eye Cream. Take a pea size and I split it in half. I just rub this real good under my eyes just to keep me hydrated and, you know, help with the dark circles. She actually got a new cream I seen for dark circles, so I definitely gotta try that. Next, I jump into my favorite hydration cream because e.l.f. have a bunch of them. The Hemp Drive Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. It's like a Vaseline because I like to put Vaseline on my face or whatever. So I like to rub this all over my face, giving like that real moisturizing look. I like my skin to look good. Having a routine, washing your face every day. I know y'all doing that, right? It's like you should have a routine by now, okay? Do not just be taking the coal out your eye. Please, get you a routine, okay? So next, y'all, we're going to jump into Fenty Beauty Skin Eavesdrop. This is actually in the color 20. And I just go all over my face with this. You feel what I'm saying? I even go under the eye a little bit because I don't do a lot of coverage for my everyday winter. I kind of like to give like I have makeup on, but I don't have makeup on, okay? But baby, sometimes I like to look like I ain't got nothing on, you know what I mean? So that is definitely the vibe. And now since we have that down, we're going to jump into some concealer. We're going to be jumping into the P. Louise. This is the Rumor 6 base. I just take a little brush, go under my eyes just like this because I have dark circles, so I try not to show them. I don't want you to know that I have dark circles, okay? And you see how they cover it up so good? And then I take my beauty blender and just blend this all under just like that. Ooh. I really love P. Louise because not only you can use it for an eye base, but you can definitely use it for some concealer, baby, okay? You already know that I don't even use an orange to cast out my dark circles because for some reason with me, and this is just for me, the orange protrudes through my makeup once it settles. So I don't know a technique. Give me one. So since it does that, I always use like either my skin color or something a little bit lighter than my skin color. You feel what I'm saying? So next we're going to be jumping into something a little bit lighter, and we're going to be jumping into the NARS. This is the Biscuit, and I just take this, and this is just only for my everyday. And I feel like when I do this, it really makes it look very natural. Just blend that out just like that. And the reason why I like doing this too is because it's definitely showing that you don't need a lot of makeup. You see the little bit that I put and look. But other than that, what's been going on, boo? Did I ask you what's going on with you? What's going on with you, boo? How you been? What you been doing? I just pray that everybody is just in their purpose. You know what I mean? I pray that if you're not in your purpose, you're seeking it, because we all have one. I don't care what nobody say. Okay? We're going to jump right into some Beauty Bakery. And this is in the color Caramel. And I'm just gonna take this Beauty Bakery, put that all over, child. Set that real good. You know what I'm saying? Don't wanna hurt nobody. Next, we're gonna jump into contour, and y'all know we jumping into the Riri Fenty Beauty. This is actually chocolate. This is number 6. Hold up, first of all, did my boo see Riri's fashion show? First of all, it came out the day before it was supposed to come out. So you know I was hyped, okay? She had all the banger influencers in there. It just looks so decent. She had Johnny Depp in there with his fine ass. You know I love me some Johnny Depp. Next, we're gonna jump into the Fenty Beauty. This is the Cocoa Naughty. Kind of like blend that in. Jumping into this nose and get this nose together, child. Just go in like that. Ooh, ooh. Just give it natural. Giving, I'm that bitch. You know. Oh God, y'all, I'm tripping. Next, we're going to be jumping into my eyebrows. It's so crazy about brows right now for me because I really can do like different type of brows on my eyes. Like, I'm so proud of myself for that because I remember when I couldn't do brows at all. And I don't be doing nothing too crazy. I just do a little shine. And now we're gonna jump back into that rumor 6, clean these eyes up. I kind of like stay very neutral with shadow, but to be honest, this everyday winter beauty glam, you definitely get risque on the eyes. My everyday, I kind of like to be as natural as possible. I don't like to have like a lot going on. Next, we're going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie. This is the Carnival Antidote. This is one of my favorites, okay, for the winter time. It's giving everything. Everything you think of, that's what it's giving. You dig me? So we're going to jump into Chestnut. As you can see, Chestnut is almost gone. And I'm just going to take this and just put this all over my lid. And then next, take my dip brow, my Anastasia dip brow. This is actually in the color Ebony too. Let me dust that off. Real quick, we're gonna jump into some Coco Naughty. This is by Fenty Beauty. My boos already know, and I just wanna put some tone into my face, just a little bit. And I like to do that little blush on the nose or whatever. We also take the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb. This is the Cognac Candy, okay? And oh my gosh, always gives skin all the time. I also take it and put it under my brow bone. I don't use a brush. I mean, with the Diamond Bomb, you really don't have to be all like using a brush and all that. When you touch it, it's just gonna give you some skin, baby. It's gonna give you a pop, okay? And now we're gonna jump in the lip, okay? And this is the Trendsetter by Morphe. I don't know why, but I just love this Trendsetter. I can't get enough of this. You see what I'm saying? It just does something to your lips. Like, for real. Who ready for Thanksgiving? Y'all go Thanksgiving shopping yet? Cause I sure the hell didn't. I need to go, but I ain't go yet. I'll probably do it this week. I ain't, you know. And then I take one of my fave pinks, okay, from Crayon Case. And this is the Clean Kisses. I just love this because sometimes you don't feel like putting on a lipstick and then putting on a gloss. Like with this, you just lay this on and there you go. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I like this, you know? All right, so next we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. This is the 440. This is the foundation, and you know, blend it in. You know what I'm saying? I just always put this over any foundation that I have. You know, I mean, so next we're gonna jump into some spray. We're gonna just spray this. So boo, this is the final everyday winter look. I'm really feeling this look. As you can see, it's fast and achievable, period, okay? If you are feeling the look, feeling the vibe, make sure you do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, my boo, I love you, okay? Keep God first, okay? And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Period. Mwah. Peace.